freaking dry shaft broke again. Tired of it.
Oh, dude, you hit that truck. Dude, you hit that truck.
You did it.
I did not do it. Oh.
Welcome back, guys, and today we have large wooden saw blades. Now you're probably asking why I have wooden saw blades and not metal ones. Well, who wants metal ones when you can have wood? So I cut them out here, got the notches in it all around. Back ones are the same. So as you guys seen in the last part with the black Jeep, we had it down there in the mud and the transfer case exploded with the bigger spools on it, or had the outers on it. It was doing really good. It really impressed me how good it was doing because it was nasty and rainy and snowy. And yeah, the transfer case chain just freaking snapped and it threw it right out the side of the case, and it was done after that. I had two-wheel drive, but I couldn't get the thing out of there. We had to use the tractor and pull it up out of there. So got it fixed, got the new transfer case in it, and yeah, we're gonna see how good these things do. It's really wet out today, very wet and nasty. So we're gonna see if this thing can stay together and how long we can go with it. Guys seen, it's doing really good, like too well for my liking, I guess. I don't know, but it's throwing it all over, rooster tails all over the place, just all over the thing. We have not had any breakage yet, luckily, surprisingly, but yeah, this side's not as bad, but the other side's pretty dirty, and it's really not clicking that much either anymore. So I don't know what's going on there with that. It just must have just disappeared, who knows. But we're gonna go in the mud now because we did the easy stuff here. It's too easy for it. So we're in the sinkhole, as you guys can see here. Oh crap, it's already freaking swallowing me alive. But from the first time with the spools, with just the spools when I took it through here, It's still got the big old holes in it. This is part of the spool that fell off when we were down here. It swallowed the other half alive. But see, you think you're good here. Yep. Come on, get out of there. All right, but you go down here, and you're just like, boom. It just, look at that. That was just freaking. I'm literally sinking in this. Like, if I don't get out of this, I'm gonna be where the other vehicles are that got swallowed alive here. Oh, come on now. Oh, Jesus. All right, so Jeep's up there. We're gonna see how much we can go until who knows what happens. It's hard to tell, but we're gonna try to see what we can do here. All right, so it's going through it a lot easier than I thought it would, like a lot easier. Because I'm not kidding you, there's been some vehicles in this particular spot right here that have been stuck for months and days, and it's been bad. But as you guys can see here, got a little right there. That's how big these freaking trenches are. See the board here? They're down in there. That one's not that bad, but it's just cutting all the way through the ground, all the way up through here. And over here, and it's just, I mean, look at this, you can see it bubbling. Hey, watch this, I'll try not to get swallowed here. Oh crap. Look at it. Holy crap, my boot. Oh crap, here we go. All right, but anyways, it's, holy crap. I'm telling you, if I took that Defender through here, it'd be freaking buried. Like, this hole is no joke. So, I'm gonna see if I can go from that way, because it's even worse back there. See how far I can come down through there and try to go this way. It might get stuck real bad, and if it gets stuck, I don't know if we're getting out, but we're gonna try. This is beyond impressive what is happening right here. Or right now, I should say. I can't see anything out of this thing. I'll show you guys here. Like, it is just freaking taking the whole side of this. The back is not bad, but I can barely see out of it. I'm just basically putting it in reverse and hoping I don't run him over, which I thought I did a few times because it started going sideways. And this side over here, this side is very caked. In the front windshield, I would say, like, we could probably duck hunt out of this thing. I ain't even kidding. Like, it is perfectly conditioned. We got the pond right here behind us. We could just roll the windows down a little bit and just sit there and wait for the whack, 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 and just, you know what I mean. But yeah. Oh crap. What the heck did I hit? Ain't my water. But yeah, so I think I should try it again, honestly, because that was impressive how good it was going. So I'm gonna get the windshield cleaned off here and we'll probably hit her again.
Now, if he gets stuck, this is gonna be a party getting him out of this. All right.
All right, so as you guys seen in the last part, we was going through the mud easy and everything, but we ran into a bit of a predicament or a pickle. Anyways, look down here. As you guys can see, that is the steering box. Now if you come over here, fire this thing up so I can show you guys here. All right, so as you can see, the steering wheel. Oh yeah, and nothing is happening. Now if you come up here and look, all right, so yeah, that is the issue we ran into. I noticed the steering was a little goofy before the last time I went through the mud hole from that way down the hill, but I still went anyways, but it's real bad now. I mean, we got lucky to get it up out of there. And it got clear up here and they wouldn't turn at all. Like, they used to turn a little bit, like get a little bit of play in her. But when I got up here, nothing. She's clapped. It was doing really good until that happened. Like, it was doing really good. Very impressive. So we're gonna try to figure out how to get this thing back there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And maybe one day they'll make Jeeps that won't break. I mean, it's unstoppable if it don't break, but yeah. So if you guys like this video, leave a like, and yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. You seen the steering box. Dude, I'm trying to do a video here, idiot. He just has to fly right where I'm doing the video. He just has to. Like, he has the whole earth where he can go somewhere, but no, he picks right here where I'm doing the video.